top and now it's like I'm in the basement. #1 spot and now she found her own replacement. I swear now that I can't take it, knowing somebody's got my baby. And now you ain't around, baby, I can't think. I should've put it down, should've got that ring, cause I can still feel it in the air. See your pretty face, run my fingers through her hair. My lover, my life, my baby, my wife. You left me, I'm tired, cause you know that it just ain't right. You thinking about me, thinking about us, what we gon' be. Open my eyes, it was only just a dream. So travel back down that road, will you come back? No one knows. I realized it was only just a dream. When riding sweat, see your face at every turn. I try to get my usher on, but I can't let it burn. And I just hope that you're the one I only wanna yearn for. No wonder I've been missing with love. Say to give it all my love, I guess now I'm come my baby. Now I'm in the club thinking all about you, baby. Hey, you were so easy to love, but wait, I guess the love wasn't enough. I go through it every time that I'm alone, and now I'm wishing that he picked up the phone and gave me that decision that he wanted to move on. It's how it's wrong.
Kilig, no? Approve na approve ang performance niya nila Elmo at Julie Ann. And of course, 2 thumbs up to the short film Yellow Note. It was so nice. So nice.
Yeah, thanks to Team Slow Fader. Sila yung gumawa ng short film na yan nila, Julie and Elmo.
Ayun, kasama natin ngayon si Julie Elmo.
Good afternoon.
Ayun, Julie Elmo. So, ano feeling nyo na napanood nyo yung trailer nyo ng Just One Summer?
Wala lang, sobrang excited lang na patapos na siya at mapapanood na siya ng marami sa August 15.
Ayun, so talagang bitinin mo na sa kanila. Huwag muna natin ipakita yung trailer. Ito muna, Julie Elmo, Casey, Isabel. Meron mo tayong mga babatiin para pasasalamatan natin ang mga kaibigan natin. Leroy New, Jerome Ang, Dimple Lim, Richard Papa, Arnold Galang for Vatican, Eric De Los Santos for Vatican, Kay Morales, maraming salamat. The Second Shop, Folden Hong, Vance, hello to Wendell Vance, Bango New, Jana Duran, Air, Terry, Made You Look, Sparkle and Fade, Meryl, Charina Sarte is watching right now, hello to you, Illuminati, Technique for the Lightbox, thank you Tattoo for my Wi-Fi, and of course, Casey.
Gosh, thank you, Tim Yap, for taking that long spiel. All right, congratulations also to our very own Mark Bautista for winning in Phil Pop as Best Interpreter. Congratulations.
Ito naman, speaking of mga milestones natin, no, we'd like to congratulate Alden,
Yes,
Chris,
congratulations.
Sarah, and Bella. Team GMA on Mega
That is right.
Magazine.
Team GMA on Mega won in the online voting and was also leading in terms of sales as of the official last count. Great, congratulations.
Ayan, Catch Down to Mars. This afternoon sa SM Fairview for their album tour at nasa Yeosu, Korea din sila. This coming July 22
Wow.
together with Kyla, JR at Gian Magdangal.
Okay yun, Down to Mars goes to Korea. Ito naman, I'm looking forward na magkaroon ng cover, magazine cover si Julie at si Elmo. Diba? Dapat yan, no? Ito, excited na rin ako sa launching ng Tambalang Julie Elmo. Ito
Thank
na,
you, thank
Just
you.
One Summer.
Thank you. Thank you talaga.
Yun.
Thank you sa mga sumusuporta sa Together Forever and sa Tweets from My Sweets. At kami ni Julie, very excited na talaga kami na mapanood nyo this August 15 ang Just One Summer.
At kasama po namin sa movie sina Cherry Pie Picache, Joel Torre, Alice Dixon, and Miss Gloria Romero. And of course, it's under GMA Films.
Directed by Mac Alejandro.
Yes.
At saka, para sa mga Julie Elmo fans, hindi na namin kayo papahintay. Ito na po ang sneak peek ng Just One Summer.
Watch this.
Ito
GMA Films proudly presents a film by Mac C. Alejandre.
Ay ma, di pa rin niya pinipirmahan?
He wants you to spend the summer with him before he signs.
A rich boy
Tingin mo kaya ako pumunta dito para makipag-bonding sa'yo? Yel! Yel!
Yung tungkol sa amin ng daddy mo, alam ko iisipin mo na kabit ako pero alam mo
Wala
niya,
na po akong pakialam doon.
a poor girl,
Bakit di mo na lang sabihin kay Tito Berting? Di mo nga alam kung paano ka makakapag-enroll eh.
Saka ako na lang sasabihin pag nagawa ko na ng paraan.
Nandito na ang anak kong scholar!
two people from worlds apart.
Sino ka na nga ba?
Beto, yung kababata mo? Paano ko masasabihin sa kanila yung totoo? Ako lang inaasahan nila.
Sana man lang pinaliwanagan mo siya. Alam mo naman wala ako doon para maipaliwanag sarili ko. Sana man lang nagawa mo yun para sa akin!
You're putting me on the spot.
Kung tinatrap mo ako dito dahil iniisip mo na tatanggapin pa rin kita, hindi mangyayari yun. Dahil para sa akin, matagal ang patay ang tatay ko! Ano? Ano ba tong pamilyang to? Ang gulo-gulo, ha?
Sana naman makita nila ako. Tsaka sana naman maramdaman din nila ako.
Wala naman ako masasabi pa eh. Hug na lang kita.
Two young people finding comfort in each other.
Ikaw lang talaga nakakapagpasaya sa akin dito.
This August, fall in love with the most awaited love team in their much-awaited movie, Julie Ann San Jose and Elmo Magalona. Watch Miel and Beto spend the one summer they'll always remember.